everyone, this is Anaish. I am 14 years old and I am learning Photoshop and graphic designing from my father, who is a professional editor, and I also wanna be the one too. Today he taught me a really cool technique of Photoshop, and in this video I am going to share that with you guys. So let's just begin without wasting any time. But one more thing before we get started, please don't judge me as I'm still learning and I will keep improving with every single video. So I have got my image. I have downloaded it from Google. You can use whatever you want. If you have your own picture, you can edit that too, but I don't have mine, so I'm gonna do with this picture. First of all, we have to select this dress. Now as you can see, the dress is selected. Now we have to press Ctrl J to create a new layer of this dress. As you can see, we have got another layer of this dress. We will click on this from here. Now I'm going to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. I'm gonna set it on 1.8, then I'm gonna do OK. Now I have to save this. I'm gonna name it as 1, and make sure to save this in the format of Photoshop, PSD, PDD, PSTD. Now I'm gonna save it. Okay, now I have to get the image that I want to be in the place of this white frock. I want it to replace from this flower patterned image. I'm gonna put it over this dress. So now I'm gonna click on this frock layer. I'm gonna make it to convert to smart object. Now I'm gonna press Alt and I will click on this layer like this. Now you can see the white frock is replaced by this, but it is not looking like it should be. So for that purpose, we will click on this. We will go in the filter, blur, distort, displace. You have to fill it 55 in both places. You have to select the stretch to fit, wrap around, and I'm gonna press OK. Now I am going to select that file that we've saved earlier. We named it as 1, so I'm just gonna double click on it. Now just look at it, how beautiful it is looking. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.